we're you. Hello, you. And we're here at Dark and Creepy Diamond Painting for a crafting space show and tell. I was challenged by Crafty-ish Kristen, and that challenge was seconded, thirded, fourthed, and backed up by the community in comments. You want to see my crafting area for some unknown reason. So, because I've been double dog dared by Kristen over at Crafty-ish Kristen here on YouTube, and you guys have, joined in on it, I figure I'll show you. So, come on, let's go look. Okay, so here is my crafting space in general as you walk out of the boudoir. I don't have a fancy teacher pointer. I have a laser pointer, so let's hope we don't attract any fur beasts. This, where the red dot is, these are some darkening curtains, also good for some minor sound muffling, soundproofing. This is the chair that I suspect broke my shoulder. It does have raisable arms, which is cool, and it's bigger and wider, so I can sit crisscross applesauce, which is my preferred method of seating. And we'll come over here to the left in a bit, but and the mess down here in a bit. But yes, this goes to the rest of the house. And as you walk out, oh, this can get messy, so don't judge. This right here, this stuff right here, this is my makeup and nails. This is my double trash, because as crafters we have a lot of trash. See, more makeup stuff there. Up here near the top rightish is some large whips. We've got Hungry Love behind here, and this one is the mystery kit I'm working on. So when I'm not actively working on them, they're hanging there chilling, taunting me, reminding me that I have more work to do. And over here you might notice the packaging. This is what is left of my DAC collection here, and over here to the right of that is some other large diamond paintings, including a Craftably that no longer exists, but these are diamond paintings that are too large to fit in the other storage, which you'll see in a little bit, but these are the big ones. These are the big ones. Mounted to the wall here is Carissa's Craft Corner release paper 3D printed holder of life, and you can kind of see it, little red dot over here. It blends in a little bit, but this is my tablet. I'm watching Netflix tablet while I'm diamond painting. This is my sanity keeper tablet. And my drink, and some what do you call those? Contraband. Some new stuff that I just unboxed and is sitting awaiting use. But this is I guess this is my crafty table. I currently have a holiday background on it, and this here is my little crafty arm mount situation, complete with bright ring light. Can do different brightnesses. And this is where I mount my camera, and this is where you sit. This thing right here, this is where you guys sit and watch the videos, and this is where the work happens. This is a table, like a drafting table. It does have two drawers down here at the bottom, and way down there at the bottom there's this little rack thing that I have an active whip that I haven't really touched since I kitted it up almost a year ago. Hanging out down there just waiting. It's got two drawers here. There's you can't see it, but there's some storage along the right side of the drafting table that has pens and tweezers and putty and trays and glue dots and such in there. And this drafting table can angle up like an easel, and I haven't really used it for that yet, but it can, and it has this pull-up metal stopper tray along the bottom that will hold my light board and stuff, keep it from falling. And on the left side there's an insert, a table leaf, that can pull out and give me a little more surface space over here should I need it. And then right here is where I've got my ear potty things, And here's my biofreeze for my boo-boo shoulder, and my nail glue for my nails, and my notes because I can't remember anything ever. More contraband, don't look. Some alien putty nubbin samples. But this is the Carissa's Craft Corner 3D printed alien putty holder, one version of it. And my little putty buddy that I got from Jess, KanzenSilver, here on our channel. Yeah, that's really, this desk is like a 2-foot, 2.5 by 3.5 foot space. And then we have the crafting card of doom. I did get this for like, I think it was $25 or $35 with employee discount at Michael's when my daughter worked there. I have, don't look, that's bad. Contraband over here. I do stick some cover minders on the metal parts. I've got washi tape on the ribbon bars here and down here. Down at the bottom down there is all my trays, rulers, and pen tips. Are all down there, full of ephemera down there. Here is my masking tape, the middle tier, and my DMC stickers for drill overflow, etc. And up here some more putty and another Carissa's Craft Corner putty holder, and some spare putties, the softer ones that I don't really use too much. We do have some Static Guardy stuff. We have a bunch of sealant and canvas glue here. We have the Snacks of Life. We have a big honkin' mistake in this little bag right here. A big, I'm not gonna, it's shame, with some extra glue dots, some generic release paper, some baggies, just some bits and bobs that might be needed. My daughter took over the pen space right here and filled it with her junk, so that's her crap. But yeah, and then because I have such a little space, I had to get, kind of sneaky with it. I do have some stuff down here. Here are my balls. So when I show you guys my balls, here are my balls, my Christmas balls. Don't get silly. Some more Christmas balls here. We do have a joke gift from Ephemera. If you notice, they spelled their own name wrong. They drew on their little totem. It's just Cass and Tyler trolling me, and I'm loving it. And then below there is another kit with the drills for the one that's, under here, under the crafting table. It's a DAC Game of Thrones situation I'm doing for my daughter that hopefully I'll finish someday. And right here is Hungry Love's kit. So I kind of store some things that I need or want on hand right here. Here is my anti-static mouse pad that I got from Rokari Mystery Box, and I use when I'm kitting up. But yeah, my DAC and my two big canvases and such are all right there. So then we kind of joop over here, and what's behind me, again, don't judge the mess, okay? Up here we have my memorial to my pets. Over here on the right is Jensen. He was my soulmate in dog form, my pet soulmate. I miss him dearly, and he was my nurse. He was my protector. He was my anti-anxiety medication and my best friend. Here is a box that is symbolic of him with his paw prints, some of his grooming ties, his paw print in like a stone cement block situation, some of his fur, etc. And here is Sadie right here, my first doggy love, our first family pet, and some of her fur and stuff is in the other side of the shadow box. Some crafted stuff by my daughter there, and right here is a Carissa's Craft Corner washi tape that I like. It's a washi tape holder, and I want to transfer my washi tape to. Back here, some prizes for the prize vault. Yep, sneak peek, prizes. Right here, some more prizes. Prize vault action. Also, the second cube is prize vault action. Don't get nosy. Stop it. Some family photos. Those won't be given away as prizes. I'm sorry, but family photo album. Kind of random, I know, but this is some extra kind of stuff I can use. Some tubes to help roll canvases and stuff. Some more prize vault. And then we have drawers that, like this one has little baggies with the kits that come with the diamond painting kits, trays and stuff like that. Some more in here. We have some background, like decorative stuff here. Some of these are empty. We have a bunch of things where I store my drills separate. In these and in these down here. We have a box that has all my off-canvas projects, and these couple boxes down here and down here and down here. This is the honeydew pile. I need Sundown to mount these shelves over the holiday break, so I have set them out for him to stub his toe on and remember that they're there and put them up. And these are diamond paintings that need inventoried and put away. So the pile is growing and I have work to do. I need to do this work. I need to inventory them, mark them in the database, and label them, and to get them in GemFlow, and put them away in a nice orderly place, which I'm going to show you this, quote, nice orderly place that's not so orderly, but another holiday break situation, work on my break type of deal. But this is where I spend a majority of my time, this little corner. This corner. All right, let's check out where I store some of my diamond paintings. Okay, welcome to the mudroom, aka the crafting extension storage area. It is a mess, I know. I'm sorry. Down here we have various frames for diamond paintings right here. Things that are in the process of getting framed, or empty frames that we can use to frame or stretch frame. My mop and my vacuum. Another frame, kind of hiding our shelves here a little bit. But up here, as you can see, so this up here, this all these bag is like packaging material for when I send out prizes and stuff. It's like bubble wrap and stuff like that. Got our Rokari stash, our Raven stash. And then we have some more canvases that need to be properly put away. We have excess spare drill storage right here, right here, right here, and right here. These are some more canvases that need to be put away. Excess drill storage there, and this big like 25-gallon tote back here behind the picture frame. You can see the yellow lid. That is where most of my diamond paintings that are below 40 by 70 fit in here. Everything else goes back out there and hangs on the wall where you saw. We do have just some more packaging stuff here, some new diamond painting acquisitions that need to be inventoried and put away properly. And I do have some finishes and whips on the table here. As you can see, the Forever Young, I need to, it's an active kit, so when it's not in use actively, I store it on this tabletop in here. Same with this is another whip kit. There's some of my pins and some nails and stuff in my ephemera. I've been using this as a baggie kit up, as a pen holder, all kinds of things, as a tray holder, all kinds of stuff. But we also have a bunch of kits that I've finished. And the reason I haven't framed or portfolioed them yet is because we're nearing the end of the year. And if I do what I want to do, which is an end of the year review, I want to be able to easily access them to show you guys. It's easier than digging it out from the big portfolio under the bed or running around the house, you know, looking at our walls and stuff. Here's, I guess, where Sundown put his pen, the e-painter pen, some baggies, because often we kit up in here at this table and kit down, and so baggies for spare drills are all littered throughout here, and some Q-tips in case static guards, some little brushes to help brush staticky drills into submission, some more static guard, and some batteries and stuff. And here are bags of stuff, friend mail and letters and things that people send me, and little trinkets and gifts. I keep cards, letters, things like that, little notes. I keep them. And this is where I keep them. They're like mementos, keepsakes, and I like to have them. So yeah, this is the to be inventoried. This is the inventoried but to be put away. And this is, you know, some of the stash through here and spare drill storage. Again, needs cleaned up, but it is what it is. We've been busy. It's Christmas season. Leave me alone. All right. That just about concludes the tour. That's about it. And we're back. And I guess since that's it, this is where I leave you with the final shot of my workspace, where I spend about 28 hours a day, about 9 days a week, right here. Yeah, there we be. There it is. All right, you guys, thanks for checking out my craft space, and I'm sorry it was so messy. Don't judge me. Here, look at a kitty cat. Hi, Percy. Hi, Pursers. Okay, bye. Stay naughty.